Guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of something went wrong on Picsart. To know how to fix or how to solve something went wrong on Picsart app, should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will enter to the window or to the app of Picsart. After that, you can click on first app and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then we can click clear cache. Don't click clear detail because that can cause you errors or can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.